Hello, I'm back with another tip for Cribmaster Desktop Client. This is a tip that will help you make your desktop client a little bit more festive for the holidays. Right now I'm on the System ribbon, and a little ways down, about 2/3 of the way down, you might see this little section with the panels. If you click down, you can see that there are several different themes or skins that you can set. So for the holidays, you can set this as Xmas 2008. So there we have a nice little gift wrapping on the ribbon there. If I go to my inventory item screen, you can see that I've got a nice snowy menu bar up here, as well as some snowflakes up here, and nice little candy canes right there, and some nice little snowy trees. This little setting area, you can set it for other holidays as well. For instance, Valentine's Day is the next big holiday coming up. So you can set that and get some nice pretty hearts. Or you can get ready for spring and set that as a nice green setting for you. Now, couple things to keep in mind. The setting that you have for your skin is set to your user ID and password. So if you log in on someone else's machine, you will still see the skin that you picked. Also, if somebody else logs in, even if it's on your machine, they're going to see the skin that they have for their login. So when you do change the skin, you're only changing it for yourself, not anybody else. All right, so that's it for this Tip Tuesday. We hope you enjoy, and we hope you have a nice festive holiday.